What's up guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Sergio
And my name is Jerry.
so today we will do a review on the phone named
Samsung Galaxy A9 Star.
and plus the unboxing also. So let's get in the video.
I like Tupac.
So here's a box, and inside the box first of all we got a SIM ejector tool, basic, and some paperwork and a clear case and a cloth and the phone itself and a USB type C, and that's the phone, and it looked pretty gorgeous, right Jerry?
Yeah.
And the fingerprint placement is a well,
It's a bit clear.
yeah, and so let's move on to the specification. Let me ask Jerry some question about the phone. So let's talk about the display.
So the display size is 6.28 inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display.
The processor,
It has a Snapdragon 660 processor clocked at 4 times 2.2 GHz and 4 times 1.8 GHz.
and the front camera, front and back.
The front camera it is a 24 megapixel shooter of f1 2.0, and the rear camera is 24 plus 16 megapixel f1.7 shooter.
So does it record at 4K?
Yeah, it records at 4K, and it also has the optical image stabilization for videos to be smooth when recording.
Just like iPhone X.
Yeah, just like S9 Plus, Note 8.
And what about the battery?
It has a 3700 mAh battery, and it supports fast charging that every Samsung flagship phone support.
And how many days will it last?
One day it will last easily.
What about the security?
It has fingerprint sensor and also face unlock, which is pretty fast.
About the storage?
It has a 64GB internal storage and 4GB RAM. Expandable storage up to 256GB via a microSD card. And it also supports two SIM cards, one SIM card plus one microSD card.
So hope you like the video, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions about the phone, and we will reply to every comment we get as soon as we see it.
And if you like the video, hit that subscribe button.
That will mean a lot to us, and hope you are having an